Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to insert dual SIM card in your Poco X6 Pro. So, first of all, we're gonna need to open our SIM card slot right down here. So, we're gonna take our yellow envelope from the original box where we can find the pin to open it. But in case you don't have it, no problem, you just can use a normal pin to open it. So we just need to press a little bit hard, and it's open. So here we can find two spots for our SIM cards, and we put in it the picture side down, and we just put in it back, and here it is. So I need to, so now you can see that I have two different SIM cards in my phone, T-Mobile and Vodafone. So I hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching.